Hi, sir. Good evening. My name is Mark Eugene Bolos, but you can call me Eugene. And my interests are reading books, listening to music, and playing online games like MLBB. And those are my interests. One fact about me is that I really love music. I always listen to music like 24/7, Jud, because for me, music is therapy. I believe in the saying or quote that when word fails, music speaks. My one favorite Bible verse is that gikan pa ni siya sa akong lola. Like, ano na yun yan eh, atong bata pa mi. And kani siya nga Bible verse is Salmo 23:1. Ang Diyos nagabantay kanako. Walay nakulang kanako. So, that's it, sir.